नमस्कार फ्रेंड्स, पहली सीरीज के अंदर भी टॉक्ड अबाउट वन साइट इन बड़ौद डिस्ट्रिक्ट दैट वाज सिनोरी साइट एंड टुडे वी आर एट, you will not believe this, we are at Rakhigadi. Yes my friends, this is actual site where the excavation was being done. So you can see the black polythene, you can see it is the camera here. Yes, this black polythene, this has been the whole area has been covered. The excavation was being done at this particular place, okay, and after the excavation the whatever artifacts and whatever skeleton remains that were being found by the people, those who were engaged in excavation, they took it and they have taken it to National Museum. I did talk with the one person who was closely associated with this excavation. He was Mr. Wajir Singh. His video has also been attached with the same the series of the videos. So this site was situated between two rivers, and this site is known as one of the largest Indus Valley sites that are available in our country as well as in Pakistan. My dear friends, another important thing that this is the only site where we had pre-Indus Valley people, we had Indus Valley civilization, and we had successor cultures. So this add to the uniqueness of this particular site. Let me show you the actual soil of this place. This is the actual soil. So this is going to be very important for all those people, those who are very much interested in history. Rakhigadi, my dear friends, is going to be one site which is going to provide you ample information about how Indus Valley civilization spread its wings. Many historians, many people, those who are associated with this, they are now telling that we should rename it. Why? Because this place is very far away from Indus Valley, so Indus River. This place is situated near River Saraswati. So now people and many historians are talking about that this civilization should be named as Saraswati River Civilization. So you can see that this is the whole area that is being excavated by people of ASI, and there is another mound there. That mound was also being excavated. Many artifacts have been found out. We are trying so that we can find something so that we can add it to our kitty. So we'll be coming with more series. Till then, goodbye, namaskar.